So Spencer says do a backflip, and Spencer says do a carnival, and Spencer says do a thing side. Well, anyways, I supported kind of way to do this, but I'm gonna check the news. It's an earthquake! What? I think it's an earthquake. Lives! Oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no! What happened? Huh? Oh no! Quick! Take cover! Oh! Oh my! There's gonna be no more room! Somebody help! Help me! What's that? What's that? What's that feeling? Oh, it's an earthquake! Girls, go to the third floor. I'll go to the second floor. Ah. Oh God! I'm going under the table. Oh no! Come on, just do it. Let's do it, girls. Let's do it teamwork. Let's do it together. You can feel it. You can feel it all together. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, that earthquake is still here. Help! Help! Help me, please! Ah! Oh no! There's nothing to do about this. Come on, girls! Sit right here! Oh my God! Well, I think it stopped. Well, it's true. It has stopped. Well, it doesn't matter when it happened. Baby Maggie, are you okay? Yep, totally fine. Well, okay, time to cancel. Come on, girls. Time to go to the first floor. Gosh. Well, Spencer, I think it stopped. You're right. It has stopped. You know, it's just true. Is that true that stopped? Yeah, now get out. Let me just stay here for a while. Stop! No! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no. What are you gonna do to me? I'm just gonna calm you down. Don't worry. Everything just stopped. And we have to calm down. everything stays the same. When something's never changed, that Anna said when she's gonna turn into an adult. Right? Yep, you're right. You're right. Well, you win this time. Since the earthquake stopped, I'm going to check on Ken. Ken, are you okay? Just take breath. Just take breath, Dad. Everything will be okay. Okay. You okay? Yep, I'm fine. Let me help you. Girls, I have a meeting today, okay? Well, I forgot to control my kids. To control my kids. I need to control my kids, okay? Okay. I'll make them well. Okay, let's cancel them. Well, it got a little worse after shock.